In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of signing into Indeed, a predominant platform for job seekers around the globe. Whether you're actively searching for new opportunities or simply browsing to see what's out there, having an Indeed account set up and ready gives you access to a wide range of job postings and employer information. So let's dive right in and make sure you're logged in and ready to explore what Indeed has to offer. First, we'll start by ensuring you're on the right track with the online journey. You'll need to head over to Indeed's website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL indeed.com into the address bar. You'll be greeted with Indeed's homepage, which is structured to get you quickly where you want to go, whether it's searching for jobs or comparing salaries. Once on the homepage, you'll notice at the top right corner of the page, there's a sign in option. Click on that to begin the login process. This is your gateway to accessing all of your stored job applications, previous searches, and saved jobs, making it easier and quicker to keep up with your job hunt. Upon clicking sign in, Indeed offers several ways to access your account. If you've already registered with an email address, you can simply enter that here, along with your password. However, if you prefer the convenience of using credentials from other platforms, Indeed allows you the flexibility to sign in through your Google or Facebook accounts. Opting for one of these alternatives not only speeds up the login process, but also minimizes the need to remember yet another set of username and password combinations. Just remember, if you're using Google or Facebook, you might be asked to grant Indeed permission to access basic account information such as your name and email. After you've inputted your login details and successfully signed in, congratulations! You're ready to explore Indeed's vast employment library. From here, things are pretty straightforward. You can customize your profile, update your resume, or simply start searching and applying for jobs that catch your interest. Make sure to regularly check your dashboard for notifications about job applications, interview requests, or even new postings that match your saved job searches. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Logging into Indeed is a quick and easy process, but it opens the door to a world of job opportunities. Whether you're taking the first steps in a new career path or furthering an established one, having easy access to a platform like Indeed is invaluable. So keep exploring, stay motivated, and make the most out of the tools available to you. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy job hunting.